Hello, my name is Bermanfaat. I am class 12 AP3, number absent 8. How to fold a stuffed dog towel after finishing preparing the ingredients. Now is the time for us to start creating. A dog doll is the first cut doll that you can make using a towel. Follow the steps. Yeah. Take sticky paper and make like a dog eyes and nose. Then cut it out. Finish. 1. Open a towel on the flat surface and trim the shape. 2. Roll up both sides of the towel extending to the extra. 3. Make a round by anything a little part of the towel using rubber. 4. Add the more wicks so that the towel appears to be divided into 4 parts. The first party is the floor. The first and the second halves are the muzzle and forward. The right is the back. Fold the remaining towel inward to form the back and provide stability to the poppy. Insert in the air top the head hold the insert the tail into the cross on the back. Do the eyes and nose and your cut puppy is ready to sauce off. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.